Hello friends, in this video I will show how to configure or change feedback frequency in Windows 11. So click on Start and Settings. Now here click on Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Now scroll down and you will see option Diagnostic and Feedback. Here you will see feedback frequency. Choose how often Windows asks for your feedback. In this drop down you will see option always, once a day, once a week, or never. So select as your requirement and choice from this option. So this is the way guys you can configure and change feedback frequency in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.